If your browser has a pop-up blocker, you will need to allow pop-ups for this website to view the resulting hydrograph. The next FLO2D data extraction button we'll discuss is the Floodplain Hydrograph Query button. This tool is for estimating a peak discharge or hydrograph in a location where no predefined floodplain cross-section exists. The hydrograph button works by drawing a line across the grids defined by only 2 points. We recommend that you zoom in far enough that you can view the peak discharge grid direction arrows. This will guide you to draw the line as perpendicular to the flow direction as possible, which will give you the closest approximation of the flood hydrograph. Select the button, then left-click your mouse button and hold the button down to the beginning grid element, and while continuing to hold, down-drag the pointer to the desired ending grid element, and finally release the left mouse button. The hydrograph tool takes a while to process, depending on how many grid elements are queried. The hydrograph shown on the Graph tab represents the sum of the maximum discharge for the grid elements selected. An image of the chart can be exported as a PNG file for reporting purposes. The hydrograph can be viewed in tabular form and exported in CSV format for importing directly into Microsoft Excel. Furthermore, there is a metadata available for the location of the sample line, time and date sampled, and the originating model.